YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, welcome to the crazy family. And if you're already being here, yo sé que tú eres parte de la familia. That means you're already part of the family. Different noises. People hate my noises, but listen, this is me. You don't like it? Bye. Alright, today I'm going to be showing you guys how do I do my bun, because a lot of y'all's like, how do you do it? I'm like, let me show you. You know, right quick, let me just tell you where it is. We go from this to this right here. It's a pretty slick bun. Let me just tell you, sometimes it's cute and then sometimes it's like, okay, and sometimes it's like, oh, Dios mío, we could do it fast. So hopefully today, because I'm recording it, it's not one of those days that it's just fast and doesn't look that cute. But I feel like the more that you get it down, the more slicker it gets and the whole everything. But yeah, we're gonna go from this to that. And if you wanna learn how to do a bun, alright, so the first thing that I do, I apply a leave-in conditioner. This one right here is for curly hair, but I just use it because it's a leave-in conditioner, and it's by Oribe, and it smells so good. I got this in a PR box. I massage it into the hair. You know, my hair's detangle, all that. But you guys see that growth though? Look at that growth! I can't wait till my hair is curly and big, big, big. But yeah, I'm not doing no big shop, no anything, because I like me a bun. I have a big head, and I can't pull that off. Some people can. So then after that, I go ahead and apply like an oil for the hair. You know, it could be the heat protective one. I run out of that one, so I'm just putting this little little oil right quick, so it just don't look too dry when it's all blow drying. This is what I use to blow dry my hair. I have gone through so many of these little heads right here. I have to say this is the best one that I have ever tried. I don't know, because it has this little metal thing in here in the middle. Literally, this is amazing. If you blow dry your hair with this first before you do anything else, this is one of the best ones. I'm gonna have the link down below. I got it on Amazon for those who are interested. But this, girl, I love it. And I love that this is like rubbery, so it doesn't break. All the other ones of mine, like, they break, and I'm like, ugh. But anyways, here we go. Before you guys go in with the, I don't think you should be doing that because you're gonna damage your curls, you should not be hitting the thing. I normally do this like once a month, and if I have like events, I probably do it like 2 times. 3 times is like pushing it. I'm fine, I'm okay. This is what I do. So if you're gonna say any of those comments, go ahead and save it for yourself, because I'm okay with it. And if I'm okay, it's good, right? All right, so here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on mute and kind of just do the fast forward, because yeah, I don't want to be hearing this. All right. You guys, all of a sudden, my whole beauty room lights disconnect. I was pulling too much power. I got scared. I thought this shit was about to blow up, and I said, I gotta go. But what happened was that I connected this with the lights, and that was way too much light going on. So I connected it in a different spot. And I'm back to blow drying. So what I do after this, I just grab the hair and I put it in a pony. Okay, just like this, not too tight. And I don't use regular, like, just ponytails. These ones right here are the ones that you put here, because my hair is really thick. I don't use the regular ones because those ripped. So I need the heart and duty ones. I grab my strainer. This one is by Dry Bar. I love this strainer so much. And I just strain in the back, because that's where like the little naps will be popping off. So I stray that. What do you guys call this? Like the kitchen? I remember watching Tyra Banks and she said that. I never knew, because in Panama we just call it couscous. But I know that you guys call here the kitchen, so I'm taking care of the kitchen right quick. Like, still gonna be a little bit of curls back there, but not, I don't want it to be like so curly. And I also do my sides, because I like leaving this on the side when I do my buns. And I don't like straining this ones too much because they break out. Like literally they break off if you strain them too much. That's why I do this probably like twice a month or one. I don't strain my hair all the time, you guys. This is just when I'm gonna do my bun. And I just go here on the top. No, just like that. Looking all crazy, hey? Brush. Hard duty brush. It can't just be one of those soft brushes because it's not gonna hold if you have curly hair like me. Trust me, you need the big duty one. You'll be playing yourself with the soft one. I grabbed some edge control. And I apply this literally like just on top. On the back here. Just kind of lift this up. Let me tie this thing up again. Do I want a high bun today? I think I do. I grab a little more. This is just too flaring. You're still gonna be able to see some of the curlies, but my hair is curly and it's gonna happen. But just trying to control it a little with that. Then I grab Got to Be Glue spray. Is it Got to Be Glue? Yeah, it is. Like this in my hand. And I just try to hold this. And if you want it to be like, you don't want this standing up, you could do like the head wraps and wrap that. I never do that. I should, but if you want the thing to stay like that, you could do that. But that's up to you. I don't like that. Then I grab the brush again. Boom, 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 boom. And I'm just gonna go on top of my loose hair. It doesn't have to be perfect, but this is when I do my wraparound bun. It's not so much like hair there, you know? So here we go again, wrapping this thing up. It's gonna preparing it for what's coming. And I just go on top with the strainer. So it's easier to just wrap around. Again, Got to Be. Do the same thing to the back again. And the front right here. Again. And you guys, I am not a professional hairstylist. I don't even know how to do my own hair. I have learned this thing in the long run and kind of like manage it to make my bun look, you know, decent. So this is just what I do. Brush in. Just babies in. There you go. It's kind of like getting the base already. That's where the whole thing is at. And let me wrap this around just to kind of get it used to where we're going. Okay. And I'm not really big with baby hairs, never been, but I just kind of grab the ones that are here and I pull it down with whatever I have left from the edge control that I'm using. Kind of let them flow and do a thing. I'm not forcing them. I don't like the baby hair stuff. One thing is like they just don't look on me. On people, they look good. Like on Ray and Monica, they look so pretty. On me, I feel like I look dumb. But for me, it's fine. I stick without it. So you guys see how I'm going back and forth with the edge control in those little areas with the little hair standing up. Boom, boom, boom. And then I get my side thingies. This one's, I love this little side thingies. Oh gosh, I already put too much spray on that. Alright. You stay there. Grab your little Hicks thing again. I'm just gonna push it down here. So the little side. Stay down. So now I'm ready to wrap this thing around. This is the one that I'm using, okay? I need one with heavy duty. It's not gonna break on me. And this is the one. Are we ready? Are we ready? Here we go. One round, one thingy, two. Here we come, the three. And the last one. Pull that. Woo! Back, we still have the little curled. It is what it is. Okay. You can leave it like this if you want. I'm not doing that because my hair is not even, so I'm not embarrassing myself. No, 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 no. Graph more. Got to be spray. Here. Wrap this thing around. Every time is different, you guys. Sometimes I have to do this like 20 times for it to look like the way that I want it, and sometimes it's just a one try on, and I'm like, ooh, cute. And we're gonna leave it like this. Bobby pin that. Wait, I'm gonna use a little rubber band first, and this is just to hold it. Right. Okay. I feel like the bun could be however you want it. I don't say have to be perfect. And then I just kind of move it. I like it's a little crooked, but oh shit, it's okay. All right. Cute. You guys, this is the only hairstyle I know how to do. And you guys asked for it, so here, you guys have it. I know some of you guys be like, that's not how you do it. This is how I do it, okay? There you go. I'm trying to just do a little bigger high bun. More bobby pins in there. And then I got to be again, and just spray the crap out of this so it doesn't move. And whatever fly away, grab that. This is it. I'll be back. Let me put a little makeup on so I look more normal. Mi gente, I decided to put a little makeup on because I'm going somewhere today. This makeup will be up in my Instagram and IGTV. I am obsessed with it. Look how pretty this is. Oh, you guys will want me to do a specific tutorial on this look. Comment below and let me know. But oh my god, so beautiful. Anyways, this is my bun. I know it's not like perfect. Like I said, there's days that it comes out hella cute, and then there's days that it's just like, all right, we're just gonna go with the flow. And today's kind of one of those days, and like the more you do it, you perfect it. And some days they're off, some days like I said, in my back, you know, the curls pop up a little, but it is what it is. I have curly hair. Hopefully you guys enjoy this hair tutorial. And like I said, I'm not a professional, but I have to learn to do my hair somehow. So yeah, I will see you guys on my next videita, and thank you for watching. Ciao. Besitos.